Okay.
There are just thousands and thousands of birds coming into our reservoir.
On the water in our pond.
Yeah.
Oh, look it up above right now. That is
Incredible. I don't know if you can see this, but there's waves of them coming from miles and thousands of feet up there. And then they come in and they circle around.
Now they're getting up off the reservoir. I can truthfully say I've never seen so many geese. Wow. Have you?
No. Well, I did come out to the reservoir one spring, and they were shoulder to shoulder filling the entire reservoir. You know, so what is that, 12 acres of geese?
We could have had right now.
Yeah, tomorrow morning, if we came out early, we might just see that. Oh, they're coming up off the reservoir now.
Out to feed. Yeah.
Out to the field here. What an amazing thing. And how come our reservoir?
Wow. Look way up above where it's starting to spiral down. That is so cool. This is on sports, and I can just keep taking every, I think it's like every 0.3 of a second or something. It just keeps click, 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 click.
And they don't even seem to mind that we're here. They spiral in from way up high.
I'm taking it, and you know, the sun's in the cloud enough, hopefully it'll...
Yeah, I know. I'm shooting a lot of this into the sun too.
Oh my God. I hope, with my binoculars, I can see way out there, and there's wave after wave coming this way.
Huh. Oh yeah, up high.
Just look out over in the clouds. It's just incredible. Wow. And see that first layer of cloud? Oh,
all right.
they're everywhere. Look at it.
It's hard to stop, but you're probably getting tired of watching geese swarming. We're not. We think it's just amazing.